Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today I'm going to be out in the garden and I want to teach you or show you how I like to use Epsom salt out in the garden. Let's go. Alright guys, so the past week I've been just getting everything in my garden for spring now that last frost date has passed. Today I'm going to be planting all of my peppers. I have green peppers, sweet peppers, banana peppers, hot peppers. I have a lot of peppers that need to go in the ground. Peppers love magnesium. They're just one of those plants that really likes it. And a cheap and affordable way to give them a nice magnesium boost when you're planting them is using Epsom salt. So what I like to do when I plant my peppers is I dig the hole. Now these guys, unlike the tomatoes, they don't like to be planted really deep. So I usually plant them, they've got like this first starter set of leaves. I'll plant them right below that first set of leaves. And at the bottom of the hole, before I stick them in, I put 1 to 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt, and then I plant it. And then water them in. And this gives them a really nice magnesium boost when you plant them. Alright, so we're going to start with our sweet banana peppers here. And we're going to do a hole probably about as deep as the cup that they're in is. Take our Epsom salt. And I do 1 to 2 tablespoons, which is about a small handful for me. And I just sprinkle it in the bottom. I am going to pinch off these bottom leaves. Squeeze this guy out of there. And very gently backfill this hole. And she's done. And we're just going to go ahead and do that with the rest of the peppers. That's the last of the pepper plants. So we got Oh goodness. We got sweet banana peppers, we got hot I think they're called pepperoncini peppers. We've got sweet bell peppers and green bell peppers, which I am super excited for. I did have to buy a couple of my pepper starts this year because my seeds didn't germinate. Now I know pepper seeds take a while to germinate and they often need a good bit of heat to germinate, but they just didn't come up. So I ended up getting some green bell pepper starts from the store, as well as some of the sweet peppers, because I just didn't have enough to fill in the space that I wanted to fill them with. So, but that's okay. Sometimes you need to get stuff from the store because it just doesn't work out, or you started late, and that's okay. It's not a big deal. But yeah, so lots of green stuff, lots of peppers, which means lots of salsa, chili, stuffed peppers. So excited. Let me show you where they're at. These are the sweet banana peppers here, and then I had a couple extra sweet bell peppers that I added on this side. These are the sweet bell peppers back here, and then the green bell peppers are all back here. I try to keep it 1 square foot per plant, so I can comfortably do 8 plants per row. So that's what I did. And then over here are the hot pepperoncini, or I'm not sure how you pronounce it. Yeah, pepperoncini. But there's a couple of those here as well for salsa. And that pretty much covers it. So yeah, when you go to plant your pepper plants, go ahead and toss in 1 to 2 tablespoons of some Epsom salt, stick your plant in the hole, and then you should have some really strong seedlings. You can continue to add Epsom salt to them throughout your growing season. I think it's every 2 weeks that you can mix it up in some water and just water them with some Epsom salt water, and they'll really love you for that. So that's my tips on how to use Epsom salt in your garden when planting your peppers. I hope that you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and remember to grow where you're planted.